Hi guys, nowadays most of us are doing work from home. So if you are in a meeting, it is very hard if there is any power cut and the router goes off. Here I made a simple power backup to your router. Let me show you how to make small backup at your home itself for your routers. So for that I took three batteries. Three batteries. Generally, you can find these batteries in your old laptop battery. You can reuse those old laptop batteries. So you need three batteries of these things. 18650 batteries. Okay. With this, you can make simple backup for your router. So three batteries, each is 4 volts. If you connect these three in series, it will become 12 volts. Okay, which is enough for your router. So I already connected these three batteries in series. Simple soldering. With soldering, you can connect these three batteries. Okay. So let me check the voltage of these three batteries. So it is 11.62, which is around 12 volts, which is enough for our router. So you have to connect these battery terminals in between your adapter connection, so that when there is a power, these batteries will charge. When there is a power failure, these batteries will act as a backup for your router. Let me show you. Right now, this is the router, which is right now it is taking the power from this adapter. Okay. So I here you can see I just cut my adapter wire to add these terminals to battery. So you can see my router is going to off now. See, if I switch off, the router is off. So I will show you. Now I will connect this battery back up to in between these wires. So you have to check the polarities before connecting. Now if I switch off, this still be on. See, it is still on. So you can use these batteries as a backup to your router. So while power is on, the batteries will recharge, and also your router will work with the adapter power. So when this power is off, the batteries will act as a backup to your router. So this is my Jixel router. So you can see I connected to this router. So now it is connected. Even if it is even if I switch off, it is still connected. So you don't see any interruption to your internet connection. Hope you like it. Hope it may be useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please provide your valuable comments below. Thank you.